There's a lazy person in a brand new pair of Nike sneakers, and a lonely person drinking a Coca-Cola. There's a loser buying a New York lotto ticket, and an impressed person trying to cheer up, checking out a Disney movie. Overweight person cramming, slamming, trying to get into a pair of Calvin Kleins. An unimaginative person trying to be an artist with the help of a Kodak camera. There's a boring person. You see him, they're drinking a Rolling Rock. I am the only one who loves you. I am the only one who cares for you. I'm the only one who really cares for you. 5 roommates in a studio apartment, smoking Camels. There's a trust fund cocaine addict looking for a bargain in the Tower Outlet record store. Divorced mother of 3 standing in the self-help section of the Barnes & Noble across the street from a credit card. Looking at the want ads in a Starbucks. Middle-aged man who just was in the mirror buttons up his button-fly Levi's. Temporary worker in the financial district. Standing in line at Kinko's. There's a guitar player, lives with his girlfriend, watching a Panasonic television. The only one who loves you. I am the only one who cares for you. I'm the only one who really cares for you. Hank Williams, now on sale for only $1.99 in the Tower Outlet Record Store. Pick up The Clash, Combat Rock, a good album on sale only for $1.99. Tower Outlet Record Store. Janis Joplin, only $1.99 in the Tower Outlet Record Store. Pick up Bob Marley, on sale for only $1.99 in the Tower Outlet Record Store. Johnny Cash, on sale, $1.99, Tower Outlet Record Store. John Lee Hooker, on sale. It's a good deal, $1.99. Pick up Quiet Riot, on sale, $1.99. I am the only one who loves you. I am the only one who cares for you. I'm the only one who really cares for you. Members of the Clash have been sighted in New York City buying New York lotto tickets. Janis Joplin leans back, takes a drag on her Camel cigarette. The first person you ever made love to is checking out a video from Blockbuster. Your mom, she's getting her teeth clean, getting ready for bed, brushing with Crest, Muddy Waters, Mississippi Delta, blues, leans back, drinks his Pepsi. There's a girl with a broken heart walking down the street listening to the Mystery Band on her Sony Discipline. Woody Guthrie goes to the Tower Outlet Record Store, finds Woody Guthrie, $1.99.